This fruit has been always present and available to us. It's a fruit that is widely used as a vegetable all around the world. It is literally added to anything and everything. From ketchup, soups, salads, omelets and many more. But have you ever wondered what are the benefits of eating tomatoes frequently? Let's begin. Number 1. Tomatoes are an amazing source of vitamins. A single tomato is able to provide you around 40% of the daily recommended minimum of vitamin C. Furthermore, tomatoes supply vitamin A, which also supports immunity, good vision, and skin health, vitamin K, which is very good for your bones, and potassium, a key nutrient for the heart to function well, muscle contractions, and maintaining a healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. Number 2. Tomatoes protect heart health. Tomatoes has an antioxidant that is called lycopene, which is responsible for its red color. According to research, in terms of heart health benefits, it's better to eat tomatoes and tomato products rather than taking lycopene supplements. Also, other studies show that higher blood levels of lycopene results to lower death rates for people with metabolic syndrome, a cluster of risk factors that increase the chances of developing heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Number 3. Tomatoes improve your vision. Not many people know that lycopene is also good for the eyes. And that is not the only protective nutrient in tomatoes, it also contains lutein and beta-carotene. According to studies, these nutrients support vision and protect against eye conditions, which includes cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 4. Tomatoes boost digestive health. The fluid and fiber coming from tomatoes can help you if you are prone to constipation. Just keep in mind that for some people, the acidity from cooked tomatoes may trigger or even worsen acid reflux and indigestion. Number 5. Tomatoes help with diabetes management. Tomatoes can be a protective food to people with type 2 diabetes. According to research, people with diabetes who supplemented with cooked tomatoes for 30 days experienced a decrease in lipid peroxidation, a chain reaction in which substances called free radicals attack fat, leading to damage that increases the risk of heart disease. This is particularly important because diabetes doubles the risk of stroke and heart attack. Number 6. Tomatoes guard skin health. A 2011 study showed that the combination of tomato paste and olive oil protected against sun damage and boosted the production of pro-collagen, a molecule that gives the skin its structure and keeps it firm and youthful. Scientists also believe that the lycopene in tomatoes is the key. It's at its highest concentration when tomatoes have been cooked, and olive oil boosts its absorption from your digestive system into your bloodstream. Number 7. Tomatoes protect against cancer. Observational studies showed links between the superstar compound lycopene and fewer incidences of prostate, ovarian, lung, and stomach cancers. Tomatoes are available all year long. You can add tomatoes to your omelets and salads and serve them sliced, drizzled with balsamic and garnished with fresh basil, sea salt, and cracked black pepper. Dress fresh greens or steamed veggies with sundry tomato pesto or drizzle it over broiled fish. Toss spaghetti squash or beans with tomato sauce or use it as a topping for sauteed green beans or potatoes. Add salsa to scrambled eggs or taco salad or spoon onto cooked fish, black beans, or brown rice. Use tomato paste in veggie chili or mix it into hummus along with roasted garlic and harissa. Bon appetit! If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe so we can provide you ways to be a better you.